Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry for the slightly messy hair we got going on. It's the weekend. And we got Archie in the background. Hello. So today's video is going to be another first impressions, and it is on the Shake and Shot Rubber Firming Mask by Dr.Jart. And so the idea of this mask is that you are supposed to mix up the ingredients inside, shake it up, slap it on your face, and then you have a nice new firm face, essentially. So it does come in 3 other formulas. The one that I really wanted to get was the hydrating one, but when I bought it online, they were sold out of the hydrating. And so the other ones are, I believe, a smoothing or a soothing mask and a radiance mask. Looking good! And without further ado, let's see how this mask applies. Hey guys, welcome to the Makeup Free Face yet again. We are trying out the Shake and Shot Rubber Firming Mask, and I'm so flipping excited. It just looks so interesting and weird all at the same time, and I'm all for that. Like, look at the little face. That is just, again, awesome, weird. It's a great combination. So let's open up the cup and see what's inside. A little spatula. So it just has a step 1 and then a step 2. Combine both step 1 and step 2 in the cup. Okay, easy enough. Step 1, again, is the Super Booster. So apparently the benefits of using this mask is that it's supposed to improve the look of the skin through hydration and enhances the visible appearance of the skin radiance before your daily skincare routine. So I probably should point that out. All I did today was just wash my face. There's no moisturizer, there's no serum, there's nothing on my face except a face. Oh, just a white consistency. Okay. That'd be more of a fun color. So now we're gonna put the second little package in the cup. It is the firming liquid. That seemed a little easier to open up. Oh. Okay. A little messier than I thought, but we got both of that in the cup. Oh, and it's turning purple. Oh. Turning purple in the cup. Cool. Close the lid, cover the hole with your finger, and shake well until fully mixed. I don't know how to mix it more. Like so, how's it going? Guys having a nice weekend? Nice, cool. I think it's fully mixed only because there's no liquid sound being made. Using the spatula, apply an even layer over the entire face within 2 or 3 minutes. Oh god, okay, time limit. I don't do well with time limits. Oh, hello. That is a lot more foamier. Okay, this actually does feel kind of nice. Like, very nice. I'm pretty sure I'm over the 2 or 3 minute limit. It'd be nice if you were able to save it for later, but I don't think that's a possibility. Okay. And it feels kind of wasteful because there still is product left in there. I just don't want to have a huge amount on my face. So this is what it looks like the first few minutes of me wearing it. So I guess I will see you guys in about 15 to 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Whoa. Okay, this feels really cool actually. Sorry. I get amused easily. Ew. I'm just gonna put that back in the cup. It is a lot easier to take off. I thought it was gonna be more of a struggle, but that peeled right off for the most part. Like, my skin does feel softer. I know it was supposed to be a firming mask, so the question, does my skin feel firm? It doesn't feel annoyingly tight. It does feel a little on the tight side, but again, nothing that you can't handle. So now I'm just gonna follow up with my skincare routine, and then I will get back to you shortly.
2 hours later.
Okay, so my skin definitely does feel a little softer now because I put moisturizer on, so it's gonna happen. But overall, I do like how my skin is feeling and looking. It does seem to have a slight like radiance going on, which is always a nice little thing. And again, my face does feel a little bit tight, nothing uncomfortable. I'm excited to put some makeup on now and see how that shines through it all. So once again, I will be back with full face of makeup on, and I will tell you my final results.
3 weeks later.
Now I got a full face of makeup on, and I just feel like my skin looks very like flawless. Not to sound like full of myself. I just feel like it looks very smooth and feels smooth. So yeah, I don't know what your guys' opinion is on this mask. I am very much liking it. I don't know if I would buy it again necessarily, only because it was $15 for a single-use mask. That pricing is Canadian, so it could be more or less depending on where you're from. But in Canada, it was $15 for one, and although it was really fun to mix up and apply, and I do like the effects of the mask, I just don't know if I want to spend $15 again on a single-use mask. It might be nice to kind of splurge on the mask if you were having an upcoming event. I would give this mask a B+. It would get a higher rating only if it was a little bit on the cheaper side, or you were able to use it more than once. It also was a little tricky applying the mask. I was just kind of nervous that it wasn't going to peel off correctly, but in the end it did, so good job on me for doing that. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And until next time, I will see you all later.